Hello everyone.
Hello, I'm here. I'm just cameraman today.
Yeah, Craig's cameraman. So what we thought we would show you is our Gousto Box.
Yes.
Yeah, so if you don't know, so this is where you get fresh ingredients delivered at home. So you have set meals and they send you everything, all the ingredients you need, all portioned out. So we've had this now for 3 weeks.
Yes.
So my brother sent us a 60% off code, which obviously prompted us to get it. And this, I say, it's our third one, and we love it. So we wanted just to share it with you.
We have got our own code. If you want to try it out and get 60% off, we have got our own code that I'll put in the description.
Yes, we do. It's something that we love doing because it gives us inspiration about like what meals to cook. Doesn't it? It's good, isn't it?
And also, because we both work full time,
Yeah.
we do find anything that can help us cook meals quicker and fresher is easier
Yeah.
because we're lazy.
Yeah. So I'm just opening it. So this got delivered and they left it outside our door, didn't they?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh. So let's show you. So if I get out the cards first.
And we'll show you what we've got for dinners.
Yes, this is what we picked. So we have chicken fajitas, yummy, which you've had before. We like that, don't we? Spaghetti bolognese.
We had that before, but it didn't go very well, so we're hoping to perfect that this time.
Yeah. Chicken cassator with crispy potatoes. I've no idea how you say that, but
I'm looking forward to that one.
Yeah.
Because that's something new for me, because
Yeah.
I'm a fussy eater,
Yeah.
so yeah.
and then garlic herb rump steak and wedges and green beans.
It's worth being aware of this one. This one cost us an extra £2.99 because I'm guessing because it's got posh meat.
Yeah. But yeah, so you've got your recipe cards. And before, on our first box, we got a free recipe folder. So where we keep all our recipes, obviously. So that's just all in there. So of course we'll add those to that later. Okay, but let's dive in and get everything out. So you've got all your cold stuff all here in a bag.
Put it wherever.
Yeah. So I'm just going to open it. So obviously it does come with ice packs because obviously it's you don't have to be in, so they make sure it stays nice and cold. It's just so open it.
Like we've actually had this box delivered 2 hours ago,
Yeah.
and we're confident just to leave it until we're
Yeah.
ready to do this video. So
So I'm literally just going to get everything out. So no matter what it's for, but obviously mince. That's the steak.
That is 1 or 2. I can't see. 2 of them.
Two. Got your cream. And then what's so cute? Look, one little portion of cheese. Little yogurt. Six chicken thighs. Another little block of cheese. Just tomato paste. More chicken. Olives.
We're not sure if they make the meal.
No, one little tomato paste. Oh! I'm gonna pick it up because it's easier. Loads of tomato paste. That's it.
Is that all of it?
Yeah.
We're actually keeping these as well. We chuck them back in the freezer because they're quite good little ice bags.
Yeah. No, we like them. And like I say, it's all portioned out. So sweet. Right. We have a tin of chopped tomatoes, tortillas, tomato fritto. It's all good quality, you know, like brands and ingredients, isn't it? Parsley, thyme. So we would never normally ever cook with any of these like herbs, would we? We wouldn't even think about it. Onions, one tomato, pepper. Put it on there now.
Carrot.
Carrot. Potatoes. 2 lots of potatoes.
Oh yeah, for the chicken thing and the steak.
Again, lots more herbs. Look at it all. Oh, not, so you've got more rosemary, basil, onion, kind of beans, spaghetti, spring onion. Because we love that it's all, you know, portioned out. Because we struggle, don't we? Because there's 2 of us. If we want to go and make a meal, we have to buy a great big pot of spice, you know, or pack of spring onion.
One spring onion is just a pain.
I mean, like stock cubes, they give you like 1. And like the herbs, it's all individual portions. So, I mean, again, you've got coriander, oregano, cumin, basil, chili,
Paprika.
Henderson's relish.
Go easy with this stuff. It's really
It's
strong.
Soy sauce.
Find out.
And then we've got individual garlic. Again, more stock cubes. And the garlic.
Is that all of it?
So that's, yeah. Everything.
Now, cost-wise, full price for 2 people is about £7 per meal.
Well, it's £35.
£35 for 4 meals. Now, some people might say that's a lot of money. Some people might say that's a good deal. It's personal opinion. For us, because of the wastage we were having when we brought fresh, we loved cooking fresh, but we were wasting so much. Like, we were doing spaghetti meatballs, for example, and I'd have to freeze like loads of mince, and it just didn't work. So for us, this is really good.
Yeah. And like I say, this one we got with a
30%
off. Because you get 60% off your first box, and then it was 30% off for the rest of the month.
And of course, if the offer has changed, we apologise.
Yeah, we don't know what it is now, but that's what we got it on, and for us, it's been well worth it. So.
Well, we're going to quickly divvy this out.
Yeah.
We'll show you what we've done afterwards, but you don't need to watch us do that.
No.
And we'll show you how we pack it up.
Yeah. Right, there we go. So what we've done is, obviously, because it doesn't come all separated, so we've put all the ingredients in little bags for each of the meals, so it's all ready to go in the fridge, and all we need to do is obviously just take it out. So there's some stuff obviously we're going to put in the cupboard.
Only spaghetti and fresh herbs.
Yeah. But there we go. That's our Gousto meals for this week. All ready to go.
And what you've got on the back of, in case you're wondering how you cook it, on the back of each card is the method, or it is on the app, and you can just click start cooking. I actually, before they arrive, tend to have a little look through the app just to see how you cook it.
To prepare. Yeah, it's got all the nutritional info, any allergies, ingredients, and the method.
But I'm not going to record the whole thing of us cooking because
I
tend to be in scraggy clothes, and nobody need to see that.
And he makes a mess.
I don't.
Yes, you do. Craig will use every single utensil, pan, everything in the kitchen when he cooks.
And Laura won't follow instructions.
Anyway, but we hope you like it, because we're really passionate about this, and I think I probably go on about it a lot in my daily life, but we wanted just to show you, and like I say, if you want to give it a go, you can use our code,
which is in the description.
Yeah.
But thank you very much. Please like, subscribe, all that sort of stuff.
Yeah.
This may become a little series, we don't know. We may do it every now and again. Depends how many times we repeat the same meals. I don't know. Bye.